question for you. We're coming to the end of another winter, and I want to ask you, when was the last time you washed your puffer jacket? Now this one here is actually my puffer jacket. I've got the bright pink one so that my husband can easily find me in a crowd full of people. I'm Lisa from Active Domestics, and I'm here to remind you that your puffer jacket is not self-cleaning. I'm going to show you today how to clean your puffer jacket and how to care for it, because after all, these things don't come cheap, but they really do last a long time if you look after them. Washing your puffer jacket is in fact really important to keep that insulation working as effectively as possible. If all your down feathers or whatever your filler is inside your jacket become clumped down with dirt and oils or whatever, then they become limp and flat and clumped together, and it's not as easy for the fibers to puff up and create that insulation segment. And this is what I'm talking about, a flat, limp, non-puffy puffer jacket. So one of the things that you are going to do first when it comes to washing your puffer jacket is check for the instructions inside the jacket. It says, close zippers and fasteners, then use a cold, gentle machine wash, washing separately using a non-detergent soap, like a down wash. Of course, you're not going to use bleach on this, and you don't want to use fabric softener. Fabric softener is going to make those down feathers clump. They'll become too heavy with the softening oils. It then says, handle with care when wet. Rinse well until water is suds free, and then dry flat in a shade initially, and then tumble dry. Using the cold, you put the cold setting on your tumble dryer. You want to put it in the tumble dryer so that it helps those feathers all puff out and separate again after they've been wet and washed. And obviously, do not iron and do not dry clean. So I went to the place that I bought these jackets from, and I purchased some down wash. This type of product is specifically for hydrophobic materials, such as feathers, i.e. the down that's inside these little puffy segments. So what it recommends that you do is that you actually first run your washing machine on the self-cleaning cycle so that it can rid the washing machine of any excess or build-up of products, detergent-based products that might still be within your machine. So that's actually a really good tip. Clean your washing machine first and then wash your puffer jackets with your detergent-free product. So you want to put these on a cold, gentle wash cycle along with that special product for down. So the first thing that you're going to do before washing these jackets is check the pockets. Check every single one of the pockets, both on the external part of the jacket and inside the jacket, to ensure that you don't have any tissues or anything sharp inside those pockets. And then the instructions say to actually do all the zips up. I've already done the drum clean, and I'm going to pop these in on just a gentle wash, the delicate wash. This particular product is called Nick Wax. I bought it from the camping and adventure store where I actually bought my puffer jacket from. And so that's what they recommended. Final check of the pockets. Checking the temperature and the spin speed that's on this. So this one's on 20 degrees and the spin cycle is only 800, so that should be fine. We'll let the washing machine just do its thing now, and then I'll show you how I lay the jackets out and just drying them carefully as well. So this is what it looks like, all wet, and I'm going to show you now how I dry it. The instructions said to handle the jackets carefully when they're wet. And they also said to lay them flat and let them dry, laying flat first before putting them in the dryer. And when it comes time to actually put the jackets into the dryer after the wash, on that cool dryer setting, you want to use some dryer balls. Now what I did, which was pretty handy, was I did one at a time because I've only got 2 drying balls. I actually stuck the dryer ball inside each sleeve of the puffer jacket, like so. And then I put it into the dryer like this. And that really did help puff up the segments on the sleeve as well as the whole jacket. And it just came up looking really, really good and really fresh. So both of these jackets have been washed. The pink one has already been in the dryer and you can see how puffy that is. Whereas the black one hasn't been in the dryer and you can see how the feathers and the down in the jacket are still very limp. So as you can see, washing your puffer jacket is no big deal. It is really not that much different to washing anything else that you own and wear regularly. So I hope that this video has inspired you to get out and wash your lovely winter jackets and your lovely puffer jackets. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.